In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to set up notifications in Notion so you never miss an important update or task. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more productivity tips. Start from your Notion homepage and click Settings in the lower left corner. Inside the Settings menu, select the Notifications tab. Here, you can enable email notifications to stay updated even when you're not logged in. For in-app alerts, Notion makes it easy to get reminders on specific tasks or pages. Simply type /reminder on your chosen page. Set the date and time and you're done. These reminders work perfectly for personal tasks, deadlines, or team projects. Customizing notifications for your workspace ensures that you and your team stay in the loop, boosting productivity and reducing miscommunication. And that's it. With these simple steps, you can harness Notion's notification system to stay organized and on track. Thanks for watching. Hit like, subscribe, and happy planning in Notion.